Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Job News for Civil Engineers, 16th December 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for freshers and 1 to 2 year of experience holders. From our channel Engineering Jobs for You, every Wednesday we will upload Civil Engineers Job News video and every Saturday we will upload Electrical Engineers Job News video. And this week in this video we have included 4 multinational company jobs for civil engineers and most of the opportunities are for freshers. So please watch the video till the end. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Access to find right jobs of your choice. In this, first one is Walter P. Moore and Associates. Graduate engineer at Walter P. Moore and Associates, Pune. About the company. Walter P. Moore and Associates International Corporation is an international company providing structural engineering, diagnostics, civil engineering, traffic engineering, parking consulting, transportation engineering, intelligent transportation systems engineering, and water resources engineering services. Headquartered in Houston, Texas, the firm employs more than 600 professionals and operates 20 US and 5 international offices. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Requisition ID is 2021-2287. Responsibilities. In this position, the qualified individual will work with a team of engineers to provide engineering services on diagnostic related projects, including forensics, restoration, renovation, and rehabilitation of commercial structures and complexes such as arenas, stadiums, convention centers, office and industrial facilities, condominiums, hospital complex, and parking garages. Sound technical background and excellent oral and written communication skills are required. Qualifications: Masters in Architectural Engineering or Civil Engineering with a structural emphasis, 0 to 3 years of experience required. Demonstrated experience and interest in forensics, engineering, building, envelope, rehabilitation, etc. Professional engineering license, etc. Role is graduate engineer. Functional area is consulting firm. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description and from there you can find the links provided for these companies, and by clicking these links you will redirect to the direct website of the company. From there you can apply directly. As you know, demonstrate few jobs only. So for getting more fresh job opportunities for all branches of engineering, you can visit our website www.engineeringjobsforyou.com, engjobs for you.com. Next is Brunel India Private Limited, Chennai. Civil designer at Brunel India Private Limited, Chennai. Brunel has become a competitive brand of providing high quality services in the markets of oil and gas, mining, infrastructure, renewable energy, automotive, and life science worldwide. Brunel India Private Limited is a subsidiary of Brunel Holding Group Company, a registered company in the Netherlands with over 12,000 plus specialists in 100 plus offices across 40 plus countries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. Job description: we have an urgent opening for civil and structural designer for our client in a leading oil and gas company to join the growing team. This would be a 1 year contract on Brunel payroll and job location would be Chennai. Structural steelworks, detailing using Tekla including back drafting, detailing of concrete works like building and foundations, proficiency in AutoCAD, MicroStation, MS Word and Excel, etc. Role is civil engineer. Function area is oil and gas. Employment type is full-time contract. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Worley Parsons Limited, Mumbai. Civil Engineer 1 at Worley Parsons Limited, Mumbai. Worley Persons Limited, branded as Worley after completing the acquisition of Jacobs Energy Chemicals and Resources Division is an Australian engineering company which provides project deliveries and consulting services to the resources and energy sector and complex process industries. It employs 60,000 staff in 60 countries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or served to 1 year. Location of posting will be in Navi, Mumbai. Job description: you will provide civil engineering services to Worley and its customers, including technical support and supervision within the civil engineering team. Responsibilities: deliver civil engineering services that meet Worley's, its customers, and applicable statutory and regulatory specifications on time and within budget. If required, act as a civil engineering lead on specific projects. Proactively resolve any discrepancies between Worley and customer requirements. If required, assist and support junior personnel within the civil engineering team. Communicate effectively with the civil engineering team and project stakeholders, including the customers, etc. Qualification required: a sound knowledge of applicable local and international standards and statutory and regulatory requirements, component use relevant software such as MS Office, Suite, etc. Role is civil engineer 1. Function area is consultancy service. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Fresher civil engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Tata Consulting Engineers Limited. IBU engineer at Tata Consulting Engineers Limited, Surat. Tata Consulting Engineers Limited is an integrated engineering consulting providing concept to commissioning services into following sectors: power, resources, hydrocarbons and chemicals, infra such as resource mining and metallurgy, etc. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 6 year. Job location will be in Surat. Job description: deployed majorly for the works of the main tunnel between BKC and Shilpata, providing a review on hydrological aspects related to excavation, dewatering, sourcing action of water bodies if any, etc. Key skill sets: great education background as geotech engineer, excellent communication skill, excellent written and verbal communication skill, completing assigned task on agreed time, etc. Role is IBU engineer. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for this video details. For getting more freshers jobs and 1 to 2 year of experience or less jobs, you can visit our website www.enggjobs4u.com. For the next job news for civil engineers video, please subscribe our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Thank you.